This is me, Bhavna Sharma, journalist at Fair Gaze, and today I'm present in Peruvian Gastronomy Festival. And guess, you really don't need any guesses, you know already. This is Sandeep Marwa. Welcome, sir. It's lovely to have you today here, and we would like to know what is your experience from today's evening.
Pleasure to be here. I'm so happy to be here. Luckily, I'm chairing Indo-Peruvian Film and Culture Forum, and we are all the time in touch with the Embassy of Peru, and we've been actually working together hand in hand for a large number of events which are connected to films, television, media, art, culture, fashion, design, and so on. We had a Peruvian Film Festival at Marwa Studios. We had a food festival at Peruvian Food Marwa Studios, and we had a fashion show at Marwa Studios. And I'm very happy that we are working together. It's a beautiful country with wonderful landscape and a picturesque locations. We've been promoting the country of Peru for a long time. Today, I'm very happy to be here. It's a beautiful, well-designed program. The chief chef who has flown from Peru for this event, he's already been to AAFT, and luckily I have a school, AAFT School of Hospitality and Tourism. And we had a wonderful master class by the chef, and people were amazed after the food was prepared and tasted. And I think that has convinced me that I must be here today. Though I have a film festival going on at Marwa Studio, but I'm still here because I'm thoroughly impressed by the Peruvian food.
Right. And I would like to know, because you are mentioning a lot about the Peruvian food, delicacies from Peru. So which one is your favorite that you have tasted?
Oh my God, I don't remember the names of the dishes right now, but I can only say that people had a very wrong impression that Peruvian food means all non-vegetarian. But you'll be surprised, there are a large number of vegetarian dishes, and I'm here to actually check on the vegetarian dishes because I'm vegetarian.
Oh, same here. Likewise, I'm also vegetarian.
Lovely.
So, sir, I would also like to know that how students can learn about this Peruvian culture. Are you doing some programs other than an app? Students are coming and visiting Peru as well. Are you thinking about something?
I think I am planning to go to Peru very soon, and there is a Indian restaurant which I have supported in Peru, which is doing very well now. That's how my first connection to food with the country of Peru. But then I'm happy that we're promoting Peru as such a country. And how to promote Peru food is I have a School of Hospitality and Tourism, and I'm actually bringing these chefs to institution. His Excellency Javier has already been there. The rest of the staff from the diplomatic staff, they've been to AFT School of Hospitality and Tourism. We have projected food from Peru to other departments and other segments. So I think slowly and gradually people are loving and getting accustomed to this kind of food.
Right. And what India must take, what is one takeaway that you would like India must also inculcate from the Peruvian culture?
I think Indians and Peruvians are quite similar. They are down to earth, very humble, polite, helpful. They're very hospitable. There's a lot of hospitality you'll find in them, as soft-spoken and supporting. And I think these qualities generally you find in them, and that makes Peruvians and Indians the best friends.
Right. Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words, and it is always phenomenal to have your presence. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.